In the world of small business and freelance accounting, understanding your financial performance is paramount. It's not enough to just know how much money is coming in. You need to grasp how much is left after all your costs are covered. This what's left is precisely what we call net income, often referred to as net profit or the bottom line. For users of FreshBooks, calculating this crucial figure is not only possible but incredibly straightforward, thanks to its intuitive reporting features. As an accounting software expert, I often guide small business owners and freelancers through the various reports available in tools like FreshBooks. While the term net income might sound complex, FreshBooks simplifies the process by providing a clear and comprehensive report that does the heavy lifting for you. The profit and loss, P&L, statement, also commonly known as the income statement. What is net income? Anyway, before we dive into FreshBooks, let's briefly clarify what net income represents. In simple terms, net income is the total revenue a business earns minus all its expenses for a specific period. It's the ultimate indicator of your business's profitability. The basic formula looks like this. Net income equals total revenue, total expenses. Here's a quick breakdown of what these terms mean in the context of your business. Total revenue or income, this is all the money your business generates from its primary activities, such as selling products, providing services, or any other income streams. In FreshBooks, this primarily comes from your invoices and any other income you record. Total expenses. These are all the costs incurred to run your business. This includes everything from direct costs of delivering your services or producing your goods, often called cost of goods sold or COGS, to operating expenses like rent, utilities, software subscriptions, advertising, payroll, and even bank fees and loan interest. FreshBooks helps you track these through recorded expenses, bills, and payroll entries. How to calculate your net income in FreshBooks. The P&L statement. FreshBooks streamlines the calculation of your net income by automatically generating a profit and loss report for you. This report pulls all the necessary data from your recorded invoices, expenses, and other financial entries. Here's a step-by-step guide to finding and understanding your net income on FreshBooks. Step 1. Log into your FreshBooks account. Start by logging into your FreshBooks dashboard. This is your central hub for all your financial activities. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section on the left-hand navigation menu. You'll typically find a section labeled Reports. Click on this. This section houses all the various financial reports FreshBooks can generate for your business. Step 3. Select the Profit and Loss report within the Reports section. Look for Profit and Loss under Accounting Reports. Click on it. This is the report that will display your net income. Step 4. Choose your reporting period. Once you open the Profit and Loss report, you'll see options to select a specific date range. You can choose preset ranges, like this month, last quarter, this year, last year, etc. Custom range. If you need to analyze a specific period not covered by the presets, you can define your own start and end dates. Selecting the right period is crucial for accurate analysis. For example, if you want to know your net income for the entire last financial year for tax purposes, select Last Year. If you're tracking monthly performance, choose this month. Step 5. Review the report sections. The Profit and Loss report in FreshBooks is typically structured in a clear, easy-to-read format, breaking down the calculation of your net income. Income section. At the top, you'll see your total income for the selected period. This will usually be broken down into sales from your invoices and potentially other income if you've recorded any. Cost of goods sold COGS. If applicable, if your business sells products or has direct costs associated with services, e.g., materials for a project, these will be listed here. FreshBooks subtracts COGS from your total income to give you your gross profit. Gross profit tells you how much money you made from your core business activities before considering your general operating expenses. Expenses section. This is where all your categorized business expenses are listed. FreshBooks automatically pulls these from your expense entries and bills. You'll see categories like advertising and marketing, bank fees, office supplies, rent, software and apps, travel, and so on. Make sure all your expenses are correctly entered and categorized in FreshBooks for an accurate report. Other income/expenses. If applicable sometimes, there are non-operating income or expenses, like interest earned from a savings account or losses from selling an old asset. These might appear as separate line items. Net profit or net loss. At the very bottom of the report, you'll find the net profit or net loss figure. This is your net income. If the number is positive, your business generated a profit for the period. If it's negative, you incurred a loss. Interpreting your net income. Once you have your net income figure from the FreshBooks P&L report, what does it tell you? Profitability. A positive net income indicates that your business is profitable. A negative figure, net loss, means your expenses exceeded your income for that period. Financial health. Tracking net income over time helps you assess the overall financial health of your business. Are you consistently profitable? Are there trends you need to address? Decision-making. Your net income is a critical metric for making informed business decisions. If your net income is lower than expected, you might need to reconsider your pricing, look for ways to reduce expenses, or explore new revenue streams. If it's strong, you might consider reinvesting in your business or expanding operations. Tax preparation. The P&L report, with its clear net income figure, is essential for preparing your tax returns. It provides a summary of your income and expenses for the tax period, simplifying the process. Tips for accurate net income calculation in FreshBooks. To ensure your FreshBooks P&L report and net income calculation are as accurate as possible, record all income. Make sure every invoice you send is recorded and paid in FreshBooks. Also, track any other income that comes into your business. Track all expenses. Connect your bank accounts and credit cards to FreshBooks, or manually record every business expense. Categorize them correctly to ensure they appear in the right place on your P&L. Regular reconciliation. Regularly reconcile your FreshBooks accounts with your bank statements. This ensures that all transactions are captured and there are no discrepancies. Understand your categories. Familiarize yourself with FreshBooks expense categories, or create your own custom ones to accurately reflect your business's spending. FreshBooks empowers small business owners and freelancers to easily understand their profitability without needing to be an accounting wizard. By regularly reviewing your profit and loss statement, you gain vital insights into your financial performance, enabling you to make smarter decisions and steer your business towards greater success.